crude oil daily forecast, February 19th, fxempire.com. Looking at the light sweet crude market, you can see that we essentially didn't do much during the session on Monday, but really, that shouldn't have been much of a surprise. After all, the Americans were celebrating President's Day, and with that being the case, there really was never going to be much in the way of volume. After all, the light sweet crude market is primarily an American instrument at times, as well as Canadian. That being the case, we can only look at the longer term uh, movements over the last couple of weeks, and we can spot that 95 seems to be support, while 98 seems to be resistance. We're closer to the 95 level than we are the 98, so certainly buying at this point makes more sense. If we do get beyond the $98 level, though, the next significant area will be $100, and that, of course, will always carry a large psychological weight of importance to it. Looking at this chart, it is very bullish, and we believe that pullbacks offer buying opportunities like the one we've seen over the last couple of sessions. Looking at the Brent market, you can see that we pulled back in that one, but only marginally so. There would have been a little bit better volume in the Brent market on Monday, as it is an ex-US contract for the most part. So, having said that, it wasn't quite a normal day, but it certainly was more normal than the one in the light sweet crude pits or electronic trading. Looking at this chart, it's most certainly bullish. There's really no surprise about that. Everybody knows that. So now the question is what can we do? We think that 116 offers support, and we also think that 118 offers resistance. And in the meantime, we're probably going to bang around in this area. Above 118 is 120, which of course is very resistant from a longer term perspective. So what we're essentially wanting to do is wait for pullbacks in this market and then start stepping in and buying for a shorter term type of position.